What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of SC Outdoors. Today's video, pretty excited about. It was a huge confidence booster for me. Did pretty well, got a lot of bites. I think I landed close to 10. I had well over 10 hooked at least, which was really nice. I haven't had a good day like that in a while. But small stream, ended up getting hit with this random snowstorm. It's just like a snow shower. It came down like crazy for like 10 minutes. But then that was it, and then it got super windy. I didn't last a whole lot longer after that. But cold day, beating a dead horse with that. It's been every weekend, has been very cold. But I managed to have some success, got some beautiful browns. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give me a like, subscribe. Make sure you check out the Instagram because I've been trying to post on that a little bit more. But otherwise, I am going to take you right into the video. All right, so we are here at the stream of the day. Small freestoner. It's gonna be tough to fish. I know it, just because it's cold, but it's not frozen, I don't think. Take a look here in a sec. It's a beautiful stream. That's half the reason I wanted to come. I felt like getting away a little bit. It's not very pressured. There's a beautiful hole that I always start off with here. It's all on public land, so it's really nice, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get anything done. It's flowing high. But we'll see. I'd rather get skunked in this place than, you know, in the middle of a town somewhere. So, let's see what we can do. Oh, there we go. Nice. Like second cast, third cast, something like that. A little brown. Let's go. All right, guys, so first fish of the day is a beautiful little brown. That's awesome. Like second cast. This may go better than I anticipated. Alright guys, so since I've had some early success, I'll show you what my setup is. I have been using an attractor for the last few months. I know it's a popular thing to do in the winter, using an egg sack, things like that. But today I'm going double nymph. I'm just going with a zebra midge, size 14, or size 18 I mean, and then a size 18 hare's ear. I guess it's some sort of like Sexy Hares Ear, a little flashier. It's got some green, some orange. But that's the hare's ear. This is what the brown took. So that's cool, man. There we go. We lost him. Little brown. The nice kind of softer pocket here. There's got to be a fish sitting in it. Screams a winter trout. Gotta get a little closer, I think. Yes. Wow. I didn't even feel the bite. Nice. There we go, second fish. I knew that this pocket was gonna hold a fish. Another pretty little brown. See you, buddy. You took the zebra midge, so it's one on each fly. Man, I wish that tree wasn't in there. Still might be able to get a decent drift, but if I could drift the whole thing, it's picture perfect, man. There we go. That's not a bad fish. Best one of the day for sure. Closer to 10 inches. Get in there. Oh no. There we go. Took the hare's ear. Nice and easy release here. Didn't have to use two hands, which is nice. Keep one hand warm. That's definitely the best fish of the day. Love those colors. That was a decent fish. I don't know if you saw that or not. Comparable to the last one I caught, at least. This is going really well. I'm surprising myself. Just don't expect to have this kind of success on a freestoner this time of year. There we go. Thought there'd have to be a fish down in there. Yes. Nice brown. Hare's ear again. Alright guys, another brown. Another pretty one at that. Man, I love it. See you later, buddy. I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera, but it just got really dark. Snow's coming down. It's about I mean, it's like 12 o'clock, so it's definitely not close to dark. The light we definitely lost here. But that fish was sitting right in that backwater along the boulder there, just before this log. Feels good to get one because I had gone a little while without a bite after the hot start, so I'm glad we're back on one. There guys, I can hardly see. This snow is coming down. There we go. Thought there had to be a fish in there. Not a very big one, but we will certainly take him. Oh, just popped off. Getting towards the end of my of the section here that I usually fish. I might go a little bit farther today since I'm having a decent time. It is pretty cold though. There's a fish. Oh, not a bad one either. Oh, close to 10 inches or so. Fighting hard. All right, come here, buddy. Hare's ear again. All right. He's a little smaller than I thought at first. Probably closer to 8 inches or so, but nice fish. This right here, guys, is your classic winter pool. It's one of the only ones I know in this section that's like really like this, kind of slower, deep. A lot of the stream is downhill and fast, so I'm sure that they're stacked in here. That was my second bite out of this so far. See if we can luck into one more fish out of this run. It's so juicy. There we go. Another one. Similar size. You got a stick attached to him. There we go. Sticks off. Oh, and the hook's out. That's beautiful. Let's get the glove off. Get this guy back in. And this one is gorgeous. Still got some spawning colors. Very nice. I knew they'd be stacked in there.